So this is my Threadripper 3970X using SROC TRX 40, and for now I'm using Palit GeForce RTX 3080. And this is my MacPro 7.9 2019. This is my monitor. I'm using Asus ROG, I don't know, I forget the series, but it's 43 inch with 4K 120 Hz, support G-Sync 2. My second monitor, right now I'm using EVGA FTW3 Ultra RTX 3090. This is my another CPU machine PC. This is Intel i9 1090-80XE 18 core. I'm using heat killer Mora external radiator, and that's my another RTX 3019 from Gigabyte gaming OC. And then this is my AMD Extreme AM4 X570 series. I'm waiting for my Ryzen 5000 series. I ordered the 5950X 16 core. Okay, so I'm recording now using Media Live Full Gaming Ultra 4K. So this is my crappy studio, my man cave. Yes. Okay, thank you.